Is it the right time to make a decision on buying or selling Lucid stock? In this video, we'll delve deep into Lucid. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, January 10, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 20, 2023, our system has identified Lucid as a strong sell candidate, with a score of -5.96. Now, let's examine how the stock performed during this period. The stock experienced a significant loss of -19.95%. This means that, on average, it lost -1.43% per day since being identified as a strong sell candidate. The stock has recently broken a wide and downward short-term trend. While there may be some false breaks and temporary rebounds, it is likely that the stock will continue to decline. Any price rebounds to the breaking point of $3.44 should be seen as a second opportunity to exit the stock. According to the fan theory, the new bottom line for the next trend could be around $1.88, but it is still too early to confirm this. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential -8.61% change predicted over the next 3 months. The stock's return during this period could range between -7.73% and 34.29%. The 12-month trend suggests a significant -45.41% change over the next year. The stock's potential return during this period could range between -65.13% and 14.76%. This translates to a possible price range of $1.19 to $3.91 after 1 year. Our latest update on Lucid brings us some concerning news. The stock price has experienced a significant decline of -5.80% on Wednesday. On the last trading day, Lucid stock price dropped from $3.62 to $3.41, marking a decrease of -5.80%. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $3.40 and a high of $3.70, showing a variation of 8.79%. Unfortunately, this downward trend has been consistent, with the price falling in 9 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a total decrease of -21.43% during this period. It's worth noting that although the volume of shares traded increased by 11 million on the last day, this was accompanied by falling prices. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slightly increased risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $147.58 million worth of shares, totaling 43 million shares, were bought and sold. Let's take a look at the bigger picture. Over the past 52 weeks, Lucid stock has reached a high of $17.81 and a low of $3.40. At present, the current price is 80.85% below the 52-week high, amounting to $14.40. Furthermore, it is 94.74% below the all-time high of $64.86, which was recorded on February 18, 2021. This translates to a difference of $61.45. Analyst ratings for LCID. On Monday, November 27, 2023, Needham analysts gave LCID a reduced grade with a downgrade action. On Wednesday, November 8, 2023, Guggenheim analysts gave LCID a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 8, 2023, RBC Capital analysts gave LCID a sector perform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 8, 2023, Cantor Fitzgerald analysts gave LCID a neutral grade with a downgrade action. On Friday, September 8, 2023, RBC Capital analysts gave LCID a sector perform grade with an initialize action. Analysts have given Lucid stock a general rating of buy. They consider the P/E ratio to be a strong indicator for buying, and the price-to-book ratio also receives a strong buy recommendation. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we'll be discussing the signals identified for Lucid. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals for the Lucid stock. Both the short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals, suggesting a more negative forecast. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relation between these two signals, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. On the upside, the stock may encounter resistance at the price levels of $3.80 and $4.28. If the stock manages to break above these levels, it could issue buy signals. However, a sell signal was recently issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 14, 2023, resulting in a decline of -33.66%. This indicates a potential for further decline until a new bottom pivot is identified. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. It's also worth noting that volume rose on falling prices yesterday, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is recommended to closely monitor the stock's performance. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator shows a sell signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 18 days ago. Bollinger Bands suggest a buy signal 18 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 9 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicates a sell signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a sell signal 114 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 216 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Lucid. Before we dive into the details, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Lucid. It's important to note that there is no support from accumulated volume below the current level. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock may face significant challenges in the next few days. Lucid also exhibits high volatility, which means it can experience large price movements throughout the day. The Bollinger Band, a technical indicator, suggests a wide prediction interval for this stock, further highlighting its high-risk nature. Taking a closer look at recent performance, over the last day, Lucid stock price fluctuated between a high of $0.299 and a low of $0.299, representing an 8.79% difference. This showcases the stock's potential for significant intraday swings. Zooming out to the past week, Lucid has exhibited an average daily volatility of 5.2%. This indicates the stock's tendency to experience notable price fluctuations over a span of several days. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Lucid, let's first discuss some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Established companies may go through temporary downturns due to external factors. However, persistently negative P/E ratios could suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 28, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.290. It's crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Let's dive into the day trading levels for Lucid and explore some potential strategies. If there's an upward trend, the first resistance level for Lucid stands at $3.80. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already have the stock, this could be an interesting level to consider for swing trading. However, it's important to note that there isn't significant support from accumulated volume below. This means that the stock has the potential to sharply drop under certain conditions. It's crucial to exercise caution and consider placing trades only if you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The consensus rating for Lucid, according to multiple analysts, is buy. Now, let's explore some recent insider trades. On December 29, 2023, Rawlinson Peter Dorr purchased 180,723 shares of Class A common stock. On December 29, 2023, Rawlinson Peter Dorr sold 180,723 shares of stock options, right to buy. On December 11, 2023, Dingra Goggin bought 117,365 shares of Class A common stock. On December 5, 2023, Rawlinson Peter Dorr sold 466,751 shares of Class A common stock. On December 5, 2023, Bach Eric sold 47,096 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be positive at 95.554. In total, insiders have purchased 358,441,291 shares and sold 7,070,030 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been set. Is Lucid stock a good buy? Lucid currently shows several negative signals and is experiencing a significant downward trend. As a result, we anticipate weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks, leading us to hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have identified that the current price is undervalued. When trading commences on Thursday, January 11th, we expect Lucid to open up at $0.0930 and start trading at $3.50. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of losing money. It's always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing the current view of a particular stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts on whether you agree or disagree with our analysis in the comments section below. We're also curious to know what target you have set for this stock. If you find this content valuable, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative updates. Our team at Stock Invest wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day ahead.